Everyone, welcome back to Trendy Girl Kiji. I hope you all are doing great. If you love home decor, luxury interiors, and modern furniture ideas, then you're in the right place. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Trendy Girl Kiji for more beautiful home decor inspiration. A bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's our personal space where we relax, organize our belongings, and express our style. One of the most important pieces of bedroom furniture is the wardrobe. A well-designed wardrobe not only provides storage, but also makes the entire bedroom look elegant and organized. Modern wardrobes come in many beautiful styles. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes are one of the most popular choices because they maximize storage while giving the room a clean and luxurious appearance. They are perfect for both small and large bedrooms. Sliding door wardrobes are another excellent option. Since the doors slide instead of opening outward, they save space and create a sleek, modern look. They are ideal for apartments and compact bedrooms. If you love a bright and spacious feeling, consider wardrobes with mirrored doors. Mirrors reflect natural light, making the bedroom appear larger while also serving as a full-length dressing mirror. Wooden wardrobes never go out of style. Whether you choose oak, walnut, teak, or a dark wood finish, natural wood adds warmth, elegance, and timeless beauty to any bedroom. White wardrobes create a fresh, clean, and minimal look. They match almost every bedroom color palette and are perfect for modern, Scandinavian, or contemporary interiors. Matte finish wardrobes are becoming increasingly popular. Unlike glossy finishes, matte surfaces give a soft, sophisticated appearance and are easier to maintain because they show fewer fingerprints. Adding LED lighting inside or around the wardrobe instantly creates a luxury hotel-style atmosphere. Soft lighting helps you find clothes easily and gives the bedroom a premium look. Open wardrobe sections can be used to display handbags, shoes, books, decorative boxes, or indoor plants. Combining closed storage with open shelves creates both functionality and visual interest. If you have a larger bedroom, consider a wardrobe with a built-in dressing table. This smart design saves space while creating a stylish beauty corner. For maximum organization, choose wardrobes with adjustable shelves, hanging rails, drawers, and pull-out baskets. Keeping everything in its proper place makes your daily routine much easier. Color selection is equally important. Neutral shades like white, beige, gray, cream, and light wood tones create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Dark colors such as charcoal, walnut, or black can give the bedroom a bold and luxurious feel. Simple handles or handleless wardrobes create a clean and modern appearance. Minimal designs often make the bedroom feel more spacious and elegant. Decorating the wardrobe area can enhance the overall beauty of your room. Add a soft rug, stylish curtains, a decorative chair, indoor plants, or warm lighting to complete the cozy look. Before buying or designing a wardrobe, always measure your bedroom carefully. Leave enough space for comfortable movement and make sure the wardrobe complements the size and style of the room. Quality materials are also important. Durable wood, strong hardware, and smooth sliding mechanisms ensure that your wardrobe remains beautiful and functional for many years. A well-designed wardrobe is not just about appearance. It's about creating a peaceful, organized lifestyle. A clutter-free bedroom helps you feel more relaxed and comfortable every day. I hope these wardrobe design ideas inspire you to create your dream bedroom. Let me know in the comments which wardrobe style you like the most: sliding, mirrored, wooden, modern, or luxury built-in wardrobes. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Trendy Girl Kiji. Your love and encouragement inspire me to create more beautiful home decor videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trendy Girl Kiji. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest home decor inspiration. Until next time, take care, stay happy, and may Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz. If you'd like, I can also create a matching SEO title, YouTube descript. Create a matching SEO title, YouTube